this back. I guess we have to take more lessons on how to do sledding. It is still snowing. It is amazing the amount of snow that we got. Our driveway is clean, which is a blessing. What are you guys doing? Building a fort?
Yeah.
Is that Ranya's glove? What is that black thing? What is that black thing?
Can you hold this?
Sarah, what is that black thing that you took off? Did you take off your cap? And why did you take off your cap?
No, it fell down. And it was.
Okay, give it to me now.
No.
Throw it.
Oh, that was the bad.
And we threw Ranya's toy. We still have to figure out where that went. Oh no. Here is another view of the girls. That is good, Rania.
Huh? Where's mommy?
That's good.
It's off.
Okay, let's go for another angle on the girls.
Daddy, mommy.
You see that? That's almost higher than the car.
Make it the snow. Whee! It's a snow slide.
Okay, be careful. There's a snowman over there. Don't hit it. Sada, move.
Give me the slide. We can slide down a
The
bit.
slide is over there.
Now we can slide down a bit.
Move, Sada. You're gonna ruin the snowman. Yeah, you wanna take a break and go inside?
No, not yet.
Okay, then play. Don't think about the hands.
Take a picture of me. Okay, guys, you had to take
No,
a
you can
screenshot.
pose. You can pose.
Okay, guys, you had to take a screenshot of me, okay? In the Wonderland.
Okay, wait, let me get...
Mommy!
Yeah, pose.
Mommy!
Yeah.
If you're done,
Yeah, I'm done.
ask us in the done it.
I'm done.
Now we're done. Screenshot, take one.
Oh, you're so smart, Rania. Oh, how are you gonna get that over there?
Is it bigger?
Yeah.
Oh, good, Daddy.
Sada, you better not ruin the... Be careful. That is big. That's as big as you. Half of you, Ronnie.
How did you get there, Radia? Oh my god, that's a big one.
Yes. this is the road. And we just can't see anything. Sarah!
Be careful, there's a stream.
Oh, Sarah, careful, careful, careful. That's bigger than you. Don't go there. You can fall in. It's like an avalanche. Look at how much snow there is on the roof. That's an avalanche waiting to happen. And I'm gonna reverse a little so you guys can actually see. Yeah, so this is how big that is. This is me. So that's half my body size, if not more.
Mommy!
And that's even larger. So you see the mailbox, and then you see that. Now there's a crisis. Let's see. Rania, what you doing? You want to come back in? Huh? You have your own little snow fort. Like,
that's how you make a snow
like
fort.
Elsa and Anna.
Yeah, we made a castle. Yay!
Yeah, be careful. Don't fall in. Don't go too much over there, okay? Because that's bigger than you. That's almost my height. What happened to the snowman?
The snowman broke and it turned into a Roomba.
It did what?
Is it a Roomba?
Oh,
Yeah, it's a snow Roomba.
we got some emergency.
That was loud. It sounds like Anna.
Yeah.
No, it sounds like. Let it go. Let it go. And let it go. Here I say, and here I say. Look at the storm rage. Like the storm rage.
Is it getting in your eyes? Okay, let's get in. Let's get in. How are you guys gonna get out? Come from here.
You can follow the footsteps. Come on, Rania. Rania, come on. I control it.
Don't do that.
I don't.
Okay, come on. See? You will fall. Your whole little body will fall in. Get out quickly. Sarah, come from here. Sarah, come from here where Mommy went from. It's not too much snow here.
Come on, Rania. Be
Let's see how
careful.
Rania navigates. See?
Now we had to still record. We had to make a part, okay? Mommy, when we're done with our hot chocolate, we're gonna make another video. It's called.
Okay, Rania, come on. Okay, Rania, no souvenirs. It's still gonna be here. Come. Come, quickly, come out. Come on. Quickly. Yeah. You see how big that was where you were in?
Yeah.
It's like a fort.
Yeah, it's a castle.
Oh,
It's a snowflake.
yeah, come on. Let's go in.
No. I got it.
Yeah, I know. That's bigger than you. Come on.
I got a snowflake.
No, we have to leave it there.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yeah.
Making way over Daddy's car. Look.
Yeah, I know. Okay, put it over here. Put it here. Okay, come on, come on. Sarah, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, come on.
Come on, let's go.